Head and total body grooming. High-carbon steel blades are precision ground to stay sharp longer. The right tools to define your style. Trim, shave, detail, outline, groom, touch up. Made for use in USA electrical outlets only. Not for international use. GroomsMan Pro. Trim-shave-Detail-Outline-Groom-Touchup. The GroomsMan Pro Rechargeable Grooming Kit provides you with all the tools you need for your look. Detachable blades make it a simple to go from trimming to shaving to detailing without using 3 different products. The Wahl GroomsMan Pro does it all. The Wahl Groom Pro Sport Precision Trimmer is the most versatile all-in-one rechargeable grooming system. It's great for head and total body grooming. This grooming kit includes rechargeable trimmer unit, trimmer head, detail head, dual shaver head, T-blade, 6-position guide, 3 standard trimmer guides, 3 T-blade guides, comb, cleaning brush, blade oil, storage base, charger, and English, Spanish instructions styling guide. Top reviews from the United States. Great shaver. I was apprehensive to buy this based on some of the reviews, but I needed to upgrade my old rechargeable Wahl. This thing is great. Comes with different size clips and options to change the tool heads, can always use more oil, nice touch that Wahl throws a little bottle in all their products. I didn't care for the plastic stand holder since I travel and threw it out. I love Wahl products, they never let me down and are always very good quality, last a long time. I haven't experienced any nicks or cuts on my face. Affordable and really a great shaver.